Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the wagon wheel line dance. This line dance has been around a long time. I get a lot of requests for it. This is just my interpretation. It is not my choreography. I will list the original choreographers down in the video description. If you've seen it danced a different way, change this as you need to. I'm just going to show you how I've learned it, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Step by step, use a lot of repetition. When you're ready to try it with music though, it's going to be in a separate video that I will link down in the description below and up here in this card. So this video is the tutorial only. When you're ready to practice with music, or if you just want to see what this looks like with music, head to that other video. All right, stand up. Let's line dance, y'all. All right, we have 4 8 counts of choreography to learn. You are going to turn in the second 8 count, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But then I'm going to teach you everything else from this angle so that you can really see it from behind. So just hang on for that, and then I'll show you how to repeat it and turn it from wall to wall. There are no tags or restarts. It's just 4 walls, nice, easy beginner line dance. Okay, here we go. Our first 8 count. We're going to start with a grapevine. So a grapevine is 3 steps, right, left, right, and a touch. But this time we're going to do a scuff. So a scuff, I'm just going to take my heel and brush it on the floor. And for our grapevine, I'm going to take a step to the side, and then I'm going to cross behind, and then I'm going to take a step to the side, and then I'm going to scuff. So it is right, left, right, but I'm crossing that second step behind. Right, left, right, scuff. Just try that step right, right, cross back, right, then scuff. Then we're going to repeat that to the left. Now you're going to step left, cross your right foot behind, step left, and scuff your right this time. So it's left, right, left, then scuff your right. So to the left we go left, scuff. Right and left together is going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, grapevine goes right, right, then we scuff, left, then we scuff. I have seen people move this forward. It's the same thing, but they're moving it quite a bit forward. I don't have a whole lot of room, so I'm just going to move it side to side. But please know that you might be able to move it forward depending on where your space is like, where you're dancing. All right, we're going to try it again a little faster. Right, scuff. 5, 6, 3 steps right, go. Right, scuff, left, scuff. From here, we're going to do a jazz square or a box step. You're going to take your right, all you're doing is stepping right, left. Everything's going to get 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we're going to change our positioning up here. So you're going to cross your right foot over, 1, 2. You're going to step your left foot back, 3, 4. Then we're going to start to turn this to the right. Step on your right, 5, 6. Step on your left, 7, 8. So you're stepping right, left, 4 steps. But we're going cross, back, turn to the right. 5, 6, cross your right foot over, left, go. Cross, back, step, right, step, left. Now, I've seen some people, instead of just stepping, they do like a ball heel to take up both counts. So they'll go ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. That's an option there if you like to take up every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to step every other count, but you choose your adventure. So when we put it together with our first 8 count, 1, 2, 1, 2, we have a grapevine to the right and a scuff, a grapevine to the left. Your scuff is up. You're just going to cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let's try our first 2 8 counts together really slow. 5, 6, grapevine to the right, step, right, scuff your left, right, cross it over, right 2 counts, left 2 counts, right 2 counts, left 2 counts. Yeah, try it again. 5, 6, grapevine right, goes right, scuff, left, right, box step or jazz square. Then we turn it to the right. Great job. You're doing an awesome job. Remember, it's recorded, so you can pause it, practice that, rewind it if you need to. When you're ready to go on to our third 8 count, we're going to do that here. So we finished facing this wall, but pause that for a second. I'm gonna teach it facing this way so you can see what your footwork is doing. So we step together on your left foot, your right foot's free. We're gonna do a rock step or a mambo or a ball change, whatever you wanna call this. Right, left, and then you're gonna step back together with your right. Then you're gonna repeat that to the left, left, right, left. So we're going rock, step, together, rock, step, together. Again, right, left, right little pause, left, right, left. If you like to count it, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Mambo, together, rock, step, together. Whatever, however your brain needs to say it. That's our third 8 count. Woo, we're almost done. So you really finish facing this way, so we'll go right, left, together, left, right, together. Wanted you to see it that way though. So let's try our first 3 8 counts together, nice and slow. We're gonna grapevine, we're gonna jazz square or box step, and then we're gonna rock step or mambo. There's so many things you can call this. This is definitely a grapevine. Here we go, 5, 6, 3 steps to your right, right, left, scuff your left, left, right, scuff your right, cross it over, 1, 2, 3, turn it, 5, 6, rock step out, right, left, together, left, right, together. Yeah, try all that again. Grapevine to the right, 5, 6, grapevine right, you got it, right, left, then scuff, 1, 2, 3, cross it over, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rock it right, right, left, together, left, right, together. Here comes our 4th and final 8 count. Again, we're facing this way, but I'm gonna teach it to you from here. So we rocked to the right, we rocked to the left. Now we're gonna do rocking front and back. I think this could be called a rocking chair or a rocking horse. You're just gonna step right, left, and then you're gonna step right, left, back. So all we're doing is right, left, right, left. You're gonna go front and back. Then you're gonna do that again, front and back. So we're gonna step on every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front and back, right, left. 5, 6, right, left, rocking horse. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, rock it to the front on 1, 2, back, then front, then back. Very nice. It's a little faster. So as you get faster, you don't have to step out so far. You can take little steps, little tiny steps, and you don't even have to really step. You could just kind of do like a little touch. If it's too fast to rock back and forth, you can just go right, and I'm not even really picking up my left foot. There's an option there if it feels too fast to really do the right, left rocking. Okay, so we finished facing this way. We're gonna do that rock step out, right, left, together. That's our third 8 count. Then our 4th 8 count, you're immediately gonna go front and back and front and back. And that's it. Those are our 4 8 counts, y'all. So from the top, let's walk it really slow. We're gonna do a grapevine to the right, 3 steps and a scuff. 5, 6, 3 steps, right, go. Right, left, right, then scuff. Left, right, left, then scuff. Cross it over. This is 2 counts, 2 counts. 5, 6, rock your right foot out to the right. Step together, rock your left foot out. Step together, rock front, rock back, rock front, rock back. Yeah, and that's it. Try it again. Well, that's the first part, and then you keep going. But here we go. 5, 6, right, left, right, scuff. Then we take it left, left, right, left, cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock it out. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7. Front and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to start it over. So we're going to take our grapevine to the right. Our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Cross your right foot over. 1, 2. Now we're turning to our third wall. We'll rock our mambo out with our right. Then our left, that little rocking horse, rocking chair step, front and back. Then you're gonna start it over. So grapevine right, 1, 2, 3. We're facing our third wall still. Now we're gonna cross over. We're turning to this fourth wall. Then we're gonna rock step out. Then we're gonna rock front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time to finish our complete box, we're gonna grapevine right, grapevine left, cross your right foot over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock out. 1, 2, 3. Now left. 5, 6. Front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you just keep going till the end of the song. Great job. All right, let's do it from the top. I'll count you in. We'll do it continuously, 4 walls. 1 time through, wagon wheel line dance. Here we go, let's go. Right, left, scuff, left, right. So we'll go that tempo. 5, 6, you got it. 5, 6, grapevine to your right, right, left, then we scuff, left, right, foot crosses over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it here, rock step. 1, 2, 3, do it again. 5, 6, rock front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start it over. Grapevine, right, and scuff, left, cross it over. Right and left and right. Rock out right. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, rock front and back. 1, 2, right, left, grapevine to the right, left and scuff. Remember, you can take this forward if you have room. Turn it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mambo right or rock step together, front and back. 2, 3, 4. One more time, grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, scuff. Then we cross over, right and left and right and left. Rock right, rock left, rocking horse front and back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you just keep going. Great job. Fantastic job. Thank you so much for joining me. That was our wagon wheel line dance tutorial. If you're ready to try it with music, remember it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below. I'm gonna do it 2 times through that whole song in that video. So 1 time I'll cue it, and then 1 time I won't if you just wanna follow along, but remember the steps without me holler match. I really appreciate you standing up and dancing with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you to those of you who requested this one. This is such a fun dance, and I'm so glad I got to teach it to you today. Thank you again. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to dancing with you in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.